What's going on YouTube? It's your boy. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Legendary Marketer Review. Everybody's been talking about the new updates, the changes, because the 3.0 system is out. Everybody's pumped, everybody's psyched, and guess what? This is going to benefit a lot of people. So if you've heard about Legendary Marketer, if you heard about the hype and what people are talking about, then well, you're at the right place, because this video, I'm going to go over everything. I'm going to talk about the compensation plan, the new changes that they implement, right? How you have to go through a 15-day challenge. And there's a lot of things that you need to know. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. And most of you guys know that I've created a few videos about Legendary Marketer already. So there's some previous videos that's on the channel. However, those videos are, let's say, they're still good. There's still a lot of information, but this is the newest video, and this is the one you need to watch. I'm sure there's going to be a ton of videos out there that's going to tell you information about Legendary Marketer, but this is the video that you need to watch, because I'm going to give you all the information that you need to know. Again, this is going to benefit a lot of people, whether you're brand new, you're seasonal, and you just want to come in here and learn about marketing on a whole, because Legendary Marketer is an entire umbrella. They're focused more on the products. They actually teach you how to be a marketer, how you can use that product, whether you want to use it in an online business, offline business, you want to use it with Legendary Marketer, you want to take the information and go use it on other skills, because there's a lot of people in the company that actually uses the products to do other things, not just be an affiliate or just, you know, you just here just for the affiliate side of the program. Yes, they have a great affiliate marketing program. And speaking about affiliate marketing program, they have a sexy compensation plan that, again, will benefit everyone. So yeah, Legendary Marketer Review, lots of changes, lots of new things, new updates, 3.0. So let's just jump into things right away. Bada bing, bada boom. Here you go. Once you sign up, there's two ways how you can onboard this process. There's a free way and there is a paid way. The free way, of course, it's free. All you got to do is sign up a free account. You don't have to enter any credit card information and all that kind of stuff. You can sign up for a free account. The second way, you could sign up for a $30 membership, which is going to be the Marketers Club, which give you additional training. And I'm going to go through everything and tell you everything about Legendary Marketer Review, about the changes as well. All right, so once you sign up, the first day, it's 15-day challenge. The very first day, you're gonna watch the video, right? You're gonna watch this video. It's a 23-minute video. Then you have to complete these assignments. As soon as you complete these assignments, you have assignment number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, and 6. Once you complete this, you can click where it says continue through the next step, which is going to then bring you to the next day. Now, do keep in mind, it's every 24 hours that you have to go through the videos. There is no shortcut. There is no, okay, let me do this. Or yes, you can schedule a call with your business plan advisor. Feel free to do that. But once you get on the phone with your business plan advisor, they're going to give you a layout of how everything works, right? And then they're going to see where you at. Then you're going to go through a couple of series of questions and all that. But once you come up to day number 2, right, make sure you check your email, because your email, as soon as you complete these assignments and then you click next, as of this moment, I'm recording this video. It could change, but for right now, recording this video because the new updates are here, you will receive an email notification. So that email notification will tell you that, hey, day 2 is open. So make sure that you watch your email like a hawk. And it should be 8 a.m. Eastern time from the time I'm shooting this video. All right. So 8 a.m. Eastern time, that's when the next day and the next video is going to be online. And then you're going to go to the next one. Likewise, do the challenge, go through everything, right? Once you go through everything, there's going to be things that you have to do here, right? You can schedule a call, skip the line, all that kind of stuff, if you decide to do before, right? Then you have day number 3, same thing, go through. Day number 4, you have to go through a digital marketing quiz, which is called a DMAC. Once you go through this DMAC, right, then In order for you to move forward, you have to schedule a call with your business plan advisor. Then they're going to tell you exactly what you need to do. Make sure you're honest with your digital marketing quiz. Do not lie on this digital marketing quiz, because this is the way they're going to know what you need, how you need help with, in order for them to set up a business plan and give, right? You're also going to get a business plan. You could take it, use it on another business, or you can take it and develop something here at Legendary Marketer. So Legendary Marketer is teaching you how to be an online entrepreneur, how to be a business person. So whether you want to use the information here or you want to take the information and go somewhere else, right? That's the reason why Dave Sharp has created this system. All right. So you're going to go through the 15 videos. I know many of you probably be like, all right, I want to sign up for the affiliate marketing and I want to do all that kind of stuff. Yeah, you will have a chance to do that. Once you go through the 15 videos, then you would have to apply, right? Once you apply, apply to become an affiliate. And then when you're approved, you get all your links and all that kind of stuff. So let's talk about the affiliate side of the program, right? Before I jump into the product. So here is the affiliate side of the program. Once you apply, you got approved. It's a physical thing that you have to apply for. And then once you get approved, bada bing, bada boom, you're in, right? You're going to be in. This right here is awesome. There's a lot of information that's in here. So you can click on where it says the start button here, right? You can click on like your viewing rankings and then go in there, right? You can set up like your e-wallet. So this is how the company pay you, is through e-wallet. Once you get paid with e-wallet, then you can then take that money, get it in a check, send it to your bank account. You get like your 1099 form and all that kind of stuff, because you're running a business. You have to pay your taxes, especially when you're in the US, all right? So then they have some really awesome funnels that you can use. Now, you have the business challenge, you have the End Financial Freedom Challenge, right? You have the Marketers Club, you have the book funnel. All these funnels will be available to you. So you can go in here, you can grab your affiliate links, you can then set up like your autoresponders, and then you could go through here, right? Then you have the End Financial details, where you have here, you can grab your affiliate links from here, right? You can set up your autoresponder. And here's the cool thing with Legendary Marketer. This video, make sure you guys watch this to the end, because again, lots of information that is going to be pouring in this video. So if you want Legendary Marketer to send you email for you, yeah, then sure, you can have them follow up the email. If you want to do the follow-up for yourself, or if you do not want them to do it, then you can plug in like your autoresponder and all that kind of stuff and get it set up. They have that way. Then you have the leads generation. You have the customers, right? You have the reports. You have ranking, right? You have the leaderboard. So let me just head on over to the leaderboard and see what goes on here, right? So if you look right here, you will see my name on the all-time. So if let me just break it down. Over here is the all-time, right? I'm sure you probably know some of these people who are out there doing well. Here, right there, out of the entire company, all-time, Andre Miller, right? For the last 30 days, my name is not up here, but for the last 7 days, boom, my name is up here again. So on the number 7 in the last 7 days, and all-time Andre Miller right there. So you know that, hey, this system is working. And if you guys are looking for a place, you can click the link down below. It's a 15-day challenge. It is free. Sign up for it. See if it's something that you want to try out for. You know, again, you don't have to pay, right? You're going to get 15 videos. There's going to be a lot of trainings, right? There's commissions. There's custom funnels. There's like the pro streams income, right? There's top earner. So there's like top earner training with like our top earners. There's a lot of training that they're going to give you and, you know, teach you how to be a marketer, which is great. If you want to learn how to get traffic, you can click on where it says get traffic, right? In the pro streams area, this is only if you're a pro membership, right? For the people out there who want to crush it, and if you have ClickFunnels, then of course you can then sign up for ClickFunnels, Get Response, Aweber, all that kind of stuff, and just get your things going, right? You have like the ranking itself. You have ranking levels that you can look at. And then I'm just going to dive over, right, to this right here. Not the challenge, but the actual product. So if you want to be a part of the Marketers Club level, it's going to be a $30 monthly membership to be a Marketers Club level, right? And if you look through here, there's training inside, such as like Kevin Harrington, Mark Harvard, Nathan Lucas as well, right? There's some top people that you can watch this video and then you could register. They do a live class every single week. Let me say that again. You get to do a live class every single week. And they're going to teach you how you're going to do 6 to 7 figure online earners and how you can crush it online. So make sure you could click on here and then you could register for that specific area, right? So that's like the Marketers Club area. And then you have like the traffic Rolodex. Of course, if you want to sign up for the traffic Rolodex as well, it teaches you how to do AdWords, right? It teaches you how to do Facebook. It teaches you how to do like, you know how you see those pop-up ads on like Google, Instagram ads, landing page, how to create landing page, native ads, Twitter ads, YouTube ads, right? So these are type of marketing that you're looking for. So it doesn't matter if you just want to, if you want to learn how to, if maybe you have like you want to do beauty, right? You have an offline business and you want to have an online presence. Because if you have an offline business and you don't have an online presence, you're going to need a marketing. You need something to teach you. You need someone to teach you. You need all these trainings to help you get going. And some people probably want to just use the affiliate marketing side, right? Amazon has an affiliate marketing program, right? There's eBay that has a marketing affiliate marketing program. Legendary Marketer has an affiliate marketing program. So it's awesome. There's like business blueprints and all that kind of stuff. There's digital products, events, mastermind, coaching, consulting, right? There's marketer mastermind. So there's a lot inside here that you don't know. So again, you can sign up for free. You can be a free affiliate, or you can be a pro affiliate. So free affiliate, of course, it's free. Pro affiliate is $30 monthly for the pro affiliate. And then if you want to be a part of the Marketers Club, it's going to be $30. All right. So it's awesome. Make sure if you guys want to sign up, if you want to get on board and you want to get some extra training, feel free to check out the link down below and see, you know, how this thing works. It's absolutely free. You don't have to pay to play as I'm shooting this video. Sign up, see what works for you. If you want to learn marketing, get on board. I hope this video helped. I know this video is a little bit long, but with the new updates of Legendary Marketer, right? The Legendary Marketer review and all that kind of stuff, I wanted to take my time to kind of go through and narrow down everything. And before I even do that, right, I'm just going to hop on here real quick and I'm going to show you guys Legendary Marketer compensation plan, because I know some of you, this is the actual website, right? I know some of you are excited to get going, right? And I know you're pumped. So I'm going to show you the comp plan. So the comp plan right here, if you're going to be a free affiliate, so it's right here. If you want to be a free affiliate, you're going to get anywhere from 10% to 30% on all the products that you refer. So that means if you refer someone to the $30 membership, if you sign up for free, you'll get $9, right? Somebody buy that traffic Rolodex for $247, you get $27. If someone buys the affiliate marketing blueprint, you get $250, right? So this right here, you can even make as high as $800 just to be a free affiliate. So remember, you have to do an application for you to be a free affiliate. So make sure you check it out. Once you get approved, you're on your way. Now here, if you want to be a pro, that's going to pay, well, you have to pay that $30 monthly membership, right? You're going to get $18 per sale, $98.80 per sale. You're going to make $1,000 here, $1,000 here, $1,000 here, $1,000, $3,200 here, right? And then you're going to make right here $4,800. You guys see that? This right here is amazing. So make sure you check that out for sure. And yeah, this is how you can get involved and get with the program and, you know, just learn more about Legendary Marketer. So again, you could sign up for free. You could sign up for paid. And if you guys want to get on board, you want to learn marketing and all that kind of stuff, hey, check out the link in the description, sign up. So this was a Legendary Marketer Review, new updates, a lot has changed, and make sure that if you were considering getting into this program, I just gave you a rundown of how everything works from start to end. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. And if you have any comments, let me know in the comment section, because I always reply to the comments. So any comments or anything, any questions, feel free to drop them in. Thanks so much for watching. It's your boy Andre. Peace.